In this video, you'll learn how to delete files on OneDrive in just a few minutes so you can keep your storage organized and free up space for new content. First, open your browser and go to onedrive.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account and you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard, where all your files and folders are stored, ready to be managed in one place. Next, navigate to the file or folder you want to delete. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific files quickly or browse through your folders manually to locate the content you no longer need. Now, select the file or folder you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on it once or holding Ctrl or Shift to select multiple files at the same time for bulk deletion. After that, click the Delete button at the top of the page, or right-click on the file and select Delete from the drop-down menu. OneDrive will move the selected files to the recycle bin instantly. Once deleted, your files will stay in the recycle bin for up to 30 days. To free up space immediately, click on Recycle Bin in the left sidebar. Then click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove them. And that's it. Your OneDrive files are now deleted and your storage is cleaner than before.